This is unbelievable now. This is a Fox News alert as we get a report just breaking from the Washington Post, which has just broken big news in this case, if it is accurate. The headline is, this comes from the prisoner who was in the van with Freddie Gray on the day that he was catastrophically injured, which led to his death. Don't forget, the police apprehended him, they put him in the van, and by the time he got out of the van, his spinal cord had been severed. There's been a question all along about whether the injury took place prior to him getting in the van or while in the van, and there was another prisoner in the van from whom we have not heard until now. The Washington Post headline is, "Prisoner in van said Freddie Gray was banging against the walls during ride," and citing a police affidavit, citing the prisoner himself, whose statement was contained in an application for a search warrant. The Post reports that Freddie Gray could be heard banging against the walls, and the prisoner believed that he was, quote, intentionally trying to injure himself. This is from the other prisoner in the van, that he was intentionally trying to injure himself in a case that started all of this, and that has many calling for these police officers, 6 of them in total, to be arrested and charged with murder. This comes as for the first time now, one of the police officers involved in this case is speaking out through a friend, starting to tell their side of the story behind the arrest, the injuries, and the death, ultimately, of Freddie Gray, expressing frustration here over the way they believe local leaders in Baltimore, including their own police chief, has handled this case. Listen here from Anderson Cooper.
He feels that the city has let all the officers down, that they have left them out there to fry for this, and that the mayor and the commissioner, not just the mayor, the commissioner, who's over top of them, should have stood by them, and they should have gotten due process by the law, and that's not what happened here.